You joined the existing college last year. How was your feeling when you started working as commissioner? Is this European Commission headquarters in Brussels, is it a very big apparatus or is it efficient? If you could maybe just say in 2-3 sentences what is your first experience after joining
my
the
first impression, what my perception of the work in the European Commission was from the very beginning actually could be told along the lines that I was used to work with a good public service, good administration in Croatia. But now, once in Brussels, I actually had to face a big challenge of working with an excellent administration, and they are really excellent. The Commission services, the professionalism of the services, their devotion to the tasks and the work they do, and this helps a lot policy decision-making process in the Commission, because this first of all the impact assessment of each and every decision you would like to take is very much important and very much developed. So it's not just voluntary exercise of thinking of a new policy or legal proposals. It is always based on a well assessed impact to various be it sectors of industry or social groups in the European Union. And this is how I like the Commission to work, and therefore such an experience is important and rewarding experience for me.
Thank you very much, Commissioner. Hvala.